contact lenses, so I'm going to stick with my glasses, even if people do call me goggly four eyes Gertrude, like Harry Potter sometimes. Yeah, I think I'll be alright. Should be fine, really. What was that? Did you hear her? She's snoring. Sometimes I laugh when she's snoring and she's back from her bingo. Yeah, that's my statistics for the day. Trying to keep statistics going, because I want the world to know about statistics. But Mum would rather learn about the Bible. That's the thing. Yeah. Well, it's rather quiet round here at the moment. You can hear it.
Gertrude!
What?
I come home and I just want a bit of peace and quiet, and then you and your stupid video camera.
But you got me it for my birthday.
I thought it might turn you back into a human.
Oh, we're all Homo sapiens, really.
God.
If you're trying to sleep, just go to your bedroom.
Don't dare talk to me like that.
Because I can hear you snoring.
Oh, God.
Is it the baby? That's what I thought, really. Should I turn it off?
Yes. Now.
Oh, well, I should probably turn it off then. Say goodbye to the